Welcome back, Harbro. So the Harbro channel, quality videos, lowest prices, and the deal came out. The deal came out at night. Deal 2 is now confirmed for Saturday. It's the Bauer. It's the Bauer 5 amp hour charger kit. Most of you probably already knew. Plus, we knew the meme tool. We'll go over that, and we'll go over the instant savings because the instant savings pairs well, that's putting it lightly, with the 20% off coupon. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and hyping, and let's get to 20,000 subscribers. We're so close. We're so close. I appreciate everybody. But let's jump in. First, it's confirmed now. Bauer 12 volt 5 amp hour battery and charger kit for $100. Get a free tool, and it now shows the 7 tools. So let's do a quick dive into those 7 tools. So here we have $100 battery and charger kit. That's straightforward. Option number 1 to get as a free tool, the $50 20 volt brushless cordless 1/2 inch impact wrench tool only, of course, but we're getting it as a kit for $100. And this is assuming, we'll find out soon, that it doesn't stack with the 20% already, because if this does, then it's just a killer deal, already more killer than it is. But for now, you're getting the 5 amp hour battery plus charger plus a free tool, $50 value for this one, $100. So seems like a super solid deal. Or a little bit less of a deal, you have your Bauer 20 volt brushless cordless 1/2 inch drill driver, tool only, $40 value. And the Bauer 20 volt brushless cordless variable speed oscillating multi-tool, also $40 value. This one, which really piques my interest, is the 20 volt cordless 3/8 inch Ratchet tool only, not including the 1/2 inch. 59367 is the stock code. This one's 59366. So the 1/2 inch is not being offered, but the 3/8 inch is still super solid. $60 value. This is going to be the highest value free tool, but we'll look at the other ones. $60, 40 foot-pounds of max torque, 225 RPM. $60, solid deal. Then we have the Bauer. This is brand new, 20 volt Caulk and Adhesive Gun, tool only, $40. So decent one to pull. Not sure who's gonna get the caulking gun, but maybe somebody. $40 value. And the Bauer 20 volt brushless cordless 5 inch pruning saw. Now this is an interesting one, because as you can see here, tool only, 5 inches. The Merry Christmas sale, which we're gonna jump into after this deal, is $54.99. Now this Merry Christmas sale is the rebranded instant savings, and as all the Harbros know, instant savings stacks with percentages off. And so we'll go over the flyer to see what the great deals, but there's going to be some great deals to stack up on in the instant savings. These are the ones that are low key, some of the best value that you'll get at Harbor Freight. But we digress a little bit. $54.99 is the sale right now, but of course in this bundle it's normally $65. So actually technically the pruning saw would be the highest value item, but it's on sale right now for $54.99. So it's tough to say that. And then we have the Bauer 20 volt brushless cordless 4.5 inch slide switch angle grinder tool only, $40 value. So those are your 7 tools. We have the angle grinder, the pruning saw, the caulking gun, the Ratchet 3/8 inch Ratchet, oscillating tool, drill driver, and impact wrench. So 7 options for the $99 deal. Great deals in general, no brainer if it stacks with a 20%. And let's look briefly at the icon meme tool, $25, 37% off. That in itself is a great deal. Normally $40, $25 is a steal. Again, we'll know soon whether this will stack with the 15 or 20% off. Hopefully it does, but either way, great deal. So we won't focus too much on the meme tool. What we will move into is the instant savings. But one thing we need to remember is that the 26th through the 28th ITC 30% off items under $20 is a possibility. I mean, it's most likely going to be the case. So with that in mind, for the instant savings that are going through the 26th, we're only going to look at items that are over $20 essentially. That's what we'll focus on, because you'll have one day where the deals overlap with the 30% off items that are $20 and under, and you'll get an even better deal with this instant savings for that one day. But we'll remind you when we come to that day. So again, we'll focus on anything over 20 bucks. So first we have Pittsburgh tool set with case, 130 piece, $32.99, already 17% off. Get an extra $6.40 off. Quinn Alert, $50 for the 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 1/2 inch drive, SAE and metric high vis socket set, 16% off, but save an extra $10. So get it up to 33% off with stacking the 20% off ITC deal. Great get. Skip on through these. $60 Bauer 8.5 amp 1/2 inch impact wrench with rocker switch, $60, already 25% off. Save an extra $12 there. Nuts. The Fortress, $170, very nice. $169.99, close to nice. $20 off is just over 10%, but you're gonna save an extra $34 if you stack it. So great deal there. Peruse past these because these are all sub $20. But we have Jupiter Pure 2000 watt continuous 4000 watt peak pure sine wave power inverter for $220, already $60 off, which is over 20% off. Save an extra $42. So if you're in the market for a power inverter, this wouldn't be a bad time to pull the trigger. And then keep on going. We have the Central Pneumatic Gravity Feed Spray Gun, $23, only 8% off. Save an extra $460, but I've seen these discounted pretty steep, so maybe pass on that. And then we have the Quinn Alert, $35 for the metric low profile impact socket set, 15 piece, already saving $5. Get an extra 20% off. Save an extra $7. So get it sub $30. So really good deal on that. Could be close to what they're possibly hinting at for the rest of the 12 days of deals. And then Quinn again, 1/2 inch drive SAE low profile impact socket set. This is an 11 piece SAE, only 6% off, so not as great of a savings, but still save an extra $5.60. So get a really good discount. You have the Warrior 7 amp variable speed belt sander for $25, 28% off already. Get an extra $5 off of that. The Thunderbolt Solar brand new trickle charger 10 watt, $35, 12% off. Save an extra $7. You have the Merlin hose, $25. Get an extra $5 off, get it to an even 20. And then we have the Hercules 4-inch surface grinding dust shroud for $30, 14% off already. Of course, save an extra $6. The Drill Master Bros 11 amp fixed base router for $45, only 10% off, but save an extra $9. Get it for $36. And then Le Creme de la Croix, this, I know I said that wrong, this Quinn 3/4 inch drive impact socket adapter and extension set, 5 piece, already down to $25. So huge discount already for the instant savings, 37% off. Normally $40. And at 20% extra, you're gonna get $5 off more, get it for an even 20. Overall, this is a 50% off the Quinn 3/4 inch drive impact socket adapter extension set, 5 piece. That's a steal of a deal for 50% off. That's nuts, $20. And then of course, what we were looking at, already the discounted pruning saw, already a great deal. If you already have the batteries or the kits, you don't need the starter kit. You could just get this tool for an extra 20% off. Be an extra $11 worth of savings, get it for 40-ish bucks. So you have that option. And so those are the instant savings. Anything over $20, that is perfect time to stack with these percentages off. And I'll leave it at that. I think those are the biggest things to look out for. You have 3 days to stack with these instant savings, and you're 20% off. Any of these that you're excited about, I'm pumped. I love when these instant savings stack with additional percentages off. And then of course we'll have that one unicorn day on December 26th, possibly, where we'll get 30% off of any of these items. I'll remind you, 30% off of anything under $20, which would be even more killer. But we'll remember that. We'll make a video where we'll remind the Harbros. And again, I'll leave it at that. What do you think? What instant savings were you going to try to get? It is the Bauer deal. Unfortunately, not Hercules. Maybe they can surprise us later, and the meme tool. But let me know your thoughts. Again, as always, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get to 20,000 subscribers. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.